Today, we'll show you how to assemble a NexSens CB-450 data buoy for field deployment. Sensor selection may vary, and additional resources for setup and mounting can be found online in the NexSens knowledge base. The buoy is delivered with the hull and solar tower assembled in the same package. Sensors and accessories may be packaged separately. You'll want to configure any sensors and data loggers before mounting. For NexSens loggers, view the video linked in the description. To assemble the CB-450 with data loggers and sensors, only basic hand tools and a few supplies are needed. An anti-seize compound makes future field maintenance easy. We'll start with topside equipment. First, detach the white top plate from the buoy's solar tower. Activate the M550 beacon following the manufacturer's guidelines. Mount the beacon to one of the corner holes on the plate and tighten. Next, we'll install the Gill Maximat weather station and mount. Insert the mount through one of the available top plate openings with the supplied hardware. Tighten the nylon lock nut. Next, route the Maximat cable through the mount's top opening and connect it to the weather station. Place the sensor on the mount's hub and align the 3 holes. Use the supplied hardware to tighten the sensor in place. Feed the loose end of the cable through the center hole on the plate. Secure the cable to the mast using zip ties. Now, we'll attach the NexSens X3 data logger. Mount the logger to the bottom side of the top plate and secure it with the included hardware. Install the antenna, ensuring the O-ring seal is in place. Set the top plate aside for now and carefully lower the buoy onto its side. Use the included hardware to attach the cage to the buoy frame. Tighten the bolt and secure it with the cotter pin. To prevent corrosion, install a sacrificial zinc anode on both the buoy frame and the cage. Check that the anode is tightly fitted and cannot move or slide. Moving on to subsurface instrumentation, thread the deployment pipe into one of the pass-through ports. Now we'll install the YSI XO3 Multiparameter sonde. Remove the cover from the deployment pipe port and insert the sonde. Route the sensor cable into the solar tower and up through the top, then tighten the port cover. Plug the solar panel power cable into the battery well lid. Connect all sensors to their predetermined ports and the battery cable to the center of the NexSens logger. Before moving on, confirm all the connections in WQData Live to ensure that the system is recording data properly. Finally, reinstall the solar tower top plate. That's it. Our CB-450 data buoy is ready for deployment. For more information, contact a NexSens system specialist, and the online knowledge base provides additional resources. With hundreds of easily integrated combinations and a plug-and-play system, with NexSens, it's never been easier to configure and deploy a custom environmental monitoring solution. NexSens. Better data. It's never been easier.